your Wake Up Women series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and today I've changed my location and I'm coming live from a park. I thought it's such a lovely weather in Delhi, and what more than waking you up from a beautiful weather, a beautiful place, a more lively place which helps us breathe more and have more space in life. So that's where I am. That's where I'm operating from. And today our guest is Rakhi Ahuja. She's a woman, a middle-aged woman who didn't listen to her husband when her husband pressured, prodded, requested, invited her to take charge of the finances and the business. She didn't listen to him. But eventually, she had to do what he's saying, and that has turned out to her good. So, today, that's the conversation we're going to have, and let's see if Rakhi is already here. I can see Ashna and Diksha are here. Awesome, guys. Warm welcome. Let's see. Okay, Rakhi is here. Yes, and let those hearts come. Hey, Rakhi. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Priyanka. Hope you can
How
hear
are
me.
you? Yes, very well. I can hear you very well, very clearly. Thank you so much.
And
Oh,
I
I'm
love the
loving that
background.
you are. Yeah, and I'm loving you have a background which is a very, very typical office space,
Yes, it is.
and
It is.
mine is more free and yeah, more
Yes.
green space. So, Rakhi, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you for giving us your time and sharing your life with us. Please take over. The stage is all yours. So, please take over and share a bit about yourself.
Yes, Priyanka. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to you and share my feelings and acknowledge that I'm feeling so privileged and proud, not only to be on this live chat, but to be a part of WOW community. For all those who don't know Women on Wealth, I am elated to be a part of it because I didn't, it is beyond expression how it has helped me, to get back to where, as you said, my husband wanted me to be. So it is,
Yes, yes.
I wish I
And,
could have
and
found you
we
at
are
that time.
glad. Yes, and we are glad that at least we found each other now, if
Yes.
not earlier. So thank you so much for finding us and being here. Like I said, it's a
Yes.
privilege, absolute privilege serving you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thanks a lot. Okay, now,
So a bit about you.
hmm. Before I begin, I would just like to say that please, people, whoever have joined in, don't find me judgmental, gender biased. It is just something which I think I was like that, and I have seen many women around me like that so many times. But the realization came very late. I must say that. And
Hmm.
my childhood, Priyanka, started with the normal basic childhood like we have. And I know that you usually ask the questions to us that were the finances ever discussed in your family, right? So I must say when we were children, that was long time back, but they were never discussed in the sense,
Right.
to the extent, I think at that time it was maybe, it's been long time. It's not now. Still, I feel there are many families where they don't discuss it openly, which should be done. And I still remember a small incident which I would like to share. And my father was a pharmaceutical distributor, wholesale, right? So he used to collect all the cash in the evenings for all the payments and everything. And I was small, and whenever I used to go and see him collecting all the cash, I used to get so irritated. He's got so much money. देते क्यों नहीं है ये हमको? You know, not not realizing very basic childhood things where we don't know,
Right.
what cash is all about
Right.
and what are the expenses, what is the
Right.
business. But now, yes, I understand how things work. But a lot of tragedies struck my family, me. I had a difficult life, I must say. When I was in college, my mother passed away.
Yes.
I was not married yet, and she suffered from breast cancer. So, almost 1 or 2 years of suffering, I saw her. And then, after that, as you know, in Indian families, the marriage,
Right.
yes, I had to get married. And once I got married, I thought that I was blessed by God. I lost my mother, but I got a wonderful, amazing husband who took care of
Yes.
each and everything. It was a very happy wedding, And as you mentioned, he was after my life, you know, slowly and gradually get to know the business, get to know this, and me like all the typical women, you know, do you have something else to talk about? Let's talk about something else, forget about it and all that. And then I started working.
Right.
I worked with the British School, International School, and many moments, Priyanka, he came, he made me sit with me and told me with a piece of paper, you know, that these are my policies, these are my things. And I just, you know, you kept on looking at him for 2 minutes and said, "Acha, dinner mein kya banaye?" You know, just changing the topic completely. Now, if I go back, I feel, I don't know if it really happens with everybody or was it with me. I just did not want to enter that zone of financial education at all.
Right.
Even when I was
Right.
working, my paycheck, I used to get it, I used to give it to him. I did not, since the account was opened by the school itself, I did not know how much balance was in the account. I had never been to an ATM taking out the
Right.
money. I just did not know a single thing about finance. And I think it takes a lot of courage to come openly on a social media and accept all that. and and it was not this that, you know, you're not educated. It's not this that you cannot do it. It is just this, I don't
Right.
know why we, you know, just keep away from that zone. I used to.
Right.
And now I regret
Right.
it. And but that is what happened in the sense that
Right.
one morning, 2014, I just had to rush him to the hospital. He suffered a brain stroke. And imagine
Right.
at that time, I was not aware of anything. None
Yeah.
of his accounts, none of my accounts, none of the policies, none of the financial things. It was just rushing him to the hospital, trying to make him get back. But it took almost 1 year. You know, we had a tough time. It was a big struggle trying to get him back, but no use. We lost him. So I
Got
just
it.
have to think that maybe, you know, God loved him more. So got a satisfaction. It's okay. It happens. But the turmoil which I went through at that time, I think it's beyond expression. It's beyond words. I think the
Right.
people who all are watching you, I mean, there is no words to express that mental pressure with small kids, with the business, with the house, with the family, with your job. And you
Right.
don't even know how to use an ATM card. I
Yeah.
had no passwords. He had tried to explain me very nicely that, you know, these are the passwords. This is how you use them. And I just took a deaf ear. I just did not listen, did not remember. I was blank absolutely after that. But then, you
Got
know,
it.
I'm a very spiritual person. So I suppose my gurus gave me all that strength. I got back on my knees and I thought I need to get back and take over. The business had to be taken care of. The whole empire which he built had to be taken care of. I just couldn't leave, you know, everything like that and
Right.
just sit back and, you know, go into depression. I had to fight that. But now the question was, how do
Right.
I do it? Because
Right.
the whole scenario was absolutely blank for me. My staff was very good, had been very good till date. So they all helped me. The financial advisors helped me. Everything was there, Priyanka, but it did not work in the sense, the question is not that the money is coming in. You know, you still have the income, you have the money, you have the resources, but something was missing. And I think it was this
Yeah.
financial education, which I was not able to get it. It was like handling the accounts, handling everything, but not knowing how to do it, why to do it.
Right.
You know, the big question
Right.
was, which was haunting me, was a why.
Mm-hmm.
I took care of it, but I think most probably I took care of all the technical part of it. I had to run from pillar to post, going to all the mutual fund houses. You know, at that time there were no online things, not much.
Right.
So I had to go to each mutual fund fast, get my name transferred, get the nominee details. I learned all that. I learned the whole
Right.
banking system. I got myself online. It went on perfect. So you can imagine it took me almost 2 years, 2 to 3 years to understand and
Got it.
get back the things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now the question which started haunting me was, where is the education? You know, I've handled the
Right.
things, I've put them in place. It is just like, you know, अगर आप रसोई में जाते हो तो आपको पता है यहाँ पर कुकर रखा है, यहाँ प्लेट रखी है, यहाँ कटोरी आएगी. I knew things were there,
Right.
but how to use it,
And
when
then.
to use it, what to do with
Right.
them. So these questions now started
Right.
haunting me. And once I settled there, I thought I need to get educated. I need to know things. Otherwise, just by hearsay, as you know, the financial advisors, the people, the staff, whomever I talk to, all right, let's invest here, let's invest. That's fine. Maybe they have done some sort of research, but I was not aware of that. So not very convinced, but
Right.
still I kept on doing that because I had no choice. Since I myself was
Right.
not educated at that time, I had to agree to whatever was happening. और उस पे सोने पे
Right.
सुहागा हुआ COVID. When COVID stuck, that was another game changer. I got it. I
Right.
suffered on the bed. I used to think, am I going to leave my kids in the same situation where I was? And seriously, Priyanka, this question haunted me at that time. And I used to think, even the
Right.
financial advisors, even the dependents we are depending on, I could not save my husband. How can you take charge of other people if they go away? What do I do then?
Right.
So then the hunt started. I started looking, searching, but I did not find any safe place to, really go discuss my finances. I mean, I thought, how can I just go to all these colleges or the places where and just tell
Right.
I need this? And I'm sure they're just going to tell me, okay, right, this is the amount you have, invest here, invest there. But that is not what I wanted.
Right.
That had already been done. I
Right.
wanted, why do I invest here? So I thought, okay, maybe let me
Right.
start with my own knowledge. I started with the Google search and going to the mutual fund
Right.
houses और वहाँ पे देख के अरे बाप रे, large cap, mid cap, small cap, multi cap, flexi cap. I said, oh God, shut down the computer. And
Right.
then again, I cannot express. It's a difficult thing to understand. Sensibly and doing it is absolutely different. So that was a time, few of my friends had already been a part of WOW. I had seen those videos, but still, I think I didn't learn a lesson still, and I did not bother to just check on those videos and see, what I could see your face there. I could see the videos are there. But then again, it was just being lazy or what, or getting scared, that
Right.
if I go and disclose myself and if I don't know what it is all going to be about. So just again took a back seat. But after COVID, I gathered my guts and one day I opened your video and I said, I have to see it. I said, I have to just let me check out what it is about. And that I
Right.
think the first free session with you was a game changer
God.
completely. And if you remember when I saw the first video, I think it was there and then I just paid and I said, yes, I had to be a part of it because I could feel that safe environment. I could see that how you are trying to build up the community and the same thing which I would really request all the women now. Please, let's really wake up. It's not this, let's not feel that if we are asking our husbands to have a personal account, to take charge of my own finances, it's not the mistrust we are building amongst ourselves.
Right.
It's not that we're not trusting him and we want our own account. It's not that we're not trusting him, we want our own mutual funds. No, it is just a learning. You do it yourself, do it hands-on, and you get the knowledge. You really get to know. So I would really request as a medium here, let's all try to be with our husbands on the same page, all the married women, unmarried, as soon as possible, get on with it. Really. Because my task now is to educate my kids and tell them. I don't want them to be in that dilemma to know where to do it, how to do it, what to do it.
Right.
And trust me, people, WOW has really made a difference in my life. I know what I'm doing, and I would still like to say it's not just that I will become a crorepati after joining this course. I will not. It will take time. My learning starts now when I start implementing things, in the
Right.
right way. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Rakhi, it just amazes me. It just amazes me. Thank you so much for sharing so
Yeah.
openly and candidly about about what you've gone through, and it just takes so much courage, like you said, absolutely. And I am getting present to how we women wait for emergencies to hit us
Absolutely.
before we take action. Like, and I
Absolutely.
think most of us, with regard